Hi YouTube, my name is Joel and I just wanted to let you know of a solution for a 2013 Toyota Prius for the instrument panel where your GPS is. It's very difficult a lot of times viewing it because the sun comes in and glares down on that instrument panel. I wanted to let you know what I did is I went out and I got some metal. It's pretty thick. You can bend it, but it's a heavy duty. I can't tell you what gauge it is. Anyways, I got it for rain gutters, and I got a piece of metal, and I went ahead and I cut out this piece. I'll show you how it fits in a moment. But I cut out and painted this piece as a visor for that problem, and it works fantastic. I'm measuring it for you. It is, let's see, it's approximately 2 inches and actually 3/8, 2 3/8 inches wide by what is it, 7 inches long. And actually works perfect, which I'm going to show you right now. I'll put it on the car. Okay, we're inside the car, and this is the screen I was talking about where the glare comes in and it's impossible to view and see. And just above it is where my CD player is. This piece of metal that I cut, you'll see that I decided to round off the edges on one side of it. And I just went ahead and eyeballed it. I didn't draw anything. And let's see, this actually just pushes right into that little channel. It probably goes in, maybe 1/8 of an inch. And then you can slide it out of the way or take it off if you need to at any time. It does miss the CD that comes out. It is perfect. When the sun glares down, it covers at least 3/4, shades at least 3/4 of the screen, and I'm able to view the GPS. I hope this helps you in doing something for making your viewing of your GPS system better. I would appreciate a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video and any comments you have. Thank you.